Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two things for you. One is an application and one is a trick, and both the things are really amazing and very useful for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now let's talk about the application first of all, and let's go to the Google Play Store, and you have to install this application. Is called Xcodus. Yes, this is an amazing application. Simply click on open and open this application. Now when you open this application, you will be getting all your application which you have installed in your phone. See this, these all are the application which already I have in my phone, and I can able to see it here. Now what exactly this application gonna do for you? Every time when we install any kind of application from Google's Play Store, we have to provide some permission to that application. We click on allow and allow and allow, and then we provide the access of our phone to that application. But what kind of access we have given, what kind of trackers they have in their application, in this application you will come to know. Let me show you. This is an application is Amazon. I have installed this one. I'm going to click on this Amazon, and here I can see this one. That's this application has 3 tracker and 55 of permission I have given to this application. So these are the trackers which are there in this application, and these are the 55 permission is also there, like our contacts, our camera, our recording audio, Bluetooth, every kind of permission we have given to this application. This Amazon is a legitimate application. The permission we have given, it is safe and secure. But sometimes we install some unknown application to whom we don't trust, but we need them. So we can able to check in this application what kind of permission we have given to that application and what kind of access that application have on our phone. So this application is really amazing. Whenever you install any application, just come to this application and check what kind of permission you have given to which application, so that you can able to make it more safe and secure. So you should try this application. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second trick. And the trick is also related to the giving the access to all the application. When we install any application, we provide the permission to that application, but we also attach our email address and give access of our email address to that application as well. We can also check it here. First of all, we have to just go to the browser and click on the photo of our email address. So this is my account here. I'm going to click on this manage your Google account, and here on the top you will be getting some options. So I'm going to go to their security, and here I have to click on this secure account. When I click on secure account, I will be reaching on this page. Here on the bottom there is an option you will be getting, that's a third party access. Click on that one, and here you will be getting the application name to whom you have given the access of your email address. See this, I have already given the access of my email address to WhatsApp Messenger. Here you will also get an option to remove the access. You can remove it from there, but there are so many of application we install in our phone. We log in with our email address and give the access of our email address to that application, but later on we do not remove the access of our email from this application. So here in the third party access, you can come here, you can remove it one by one if you are not using that application in your phone. It is also very important to make sure that nobody has the access of your email address. So this is the trick. You have to check it right now in your phone. I will be putting the link of that application in the description. You can check it from there. Any question related to this, you can simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.